Okay guys, today I'm gonna do a quick look at this roller installer, and also gonna do a demonstration how to use it. And this is just I just got it from Japan, and the brand is called Potential Racing, which is right here. And I want a special thanks to Black Turner, and thanks for hooking me up with those roller installer. Okay, let me just go ahead and open it. Okay, let's take a look at it. It's really small, and it's have the blue anodized paint, which is really beautiful. The dimension on this tool is only about 10 centimeter, so it's pretty small size for the portable pad or either pocket. Okay, so let me just go ahead to operate this. Okay, as you can see, this tool actually have 3 pieces come together. So this piece is from the center part. This is the they have both sides, and this side which is have flat surface, which is right here, and this is for the insulation for the roller, and the back side have the empty on the center. This is for the uninstalled roller. Okay, and this head, which is right here, they have a 2 sides on both ends. The big one is for the installer, and the small one right here is for the uninstalled roller. Okay, and this piece, nothing really special design. It's only have one screw right here. That's for holding the roller. Okay. Before we started to do the operate this tool, you have to make sure you have to be really careful, because there's something you really have to be watch out. Look at roller. Actually, roller, this type of roller, they all have a front and a back side. Okay, so when you using this roller installer to remove the ball bearing from center of the roller, make sure you always push the ball bearing out from the back to the front. Okay, and when you put it back the ball bearing back to the roller, I mean when you do the install, you have to make sure you always have to be installed from the front to the back. Okay, so basically all the operation have to be finished at the front. Okay, you don't want to be remove the ball bearing from the back, because the roller actually which is this type of roller, and it doesn't matter, this type of same thing, they have the design like this. I mean the inside, this hole right here, it's a design like this. It's like a little bit offset, so if you remove the ball bearing from the front to the back, you're gonna damage the hole on the back. Okay, so just make sure you always have to push the ball bearing out from the back to the front. Okay, same as the install, you have to have to put it back from the front to the back. Okay, so let me just go ahead let you know, and look at this roller. It's very obviously the front has the design like curve like this here. The back is flat. Okay, and for this type roller, same thing. The front has the curved design. The back is always kind of flat. Okay, but this is the hardest roller. You can tell, it's hard to tell which side is the front and back. So there's a 2 tricky way you can tell which side is the back. or which side is the front. Okay, first, if the roller is brand new, you see there's a two little nipple, plastic nipple right here and here. That two nipple tell you this side is the back and this side is the front. Okay, the side with no nipple is the front. The side with nipple is the back. What about if your roller is old but there's no nipple on both ends? So it's really easy to tell. When you look at it, you see the roller has the design. It's the bottom, which right here is a little bit. Let me give you a better angle. You can see it. Okay, the bottom right here is a little bit narrow, and the top, which is on the right here, is a little bit wider. So the wider end, which right here, that's the front, and the narrow end, which right here, it is the back. Okay. Okay. And the other thing, just have to mention you. When you look at it close to the roller, actually all the roller actually back and the front, they have very slightly different. So that's how you can tell, because remember I told you the front is all more wider and what's on the hole right here is a bit wider and the back is more narrow. So of course when you look at it, and you can tell here you will see a little bit like a different than this side. So which that, it's hard to tell, but you just keep looking, you will know this side is a little bit wider, the front side. Okay, so just make sure you always gonna remove the ball bearing out from the back to the front. Okay, when you want to put the ball bearing back to the roller, it's gonna be reverse, but it's gonna be from the front to the back. Okay, otherwise you're gonna damage the little hole right here. Okay, let me just go ahead and show you how to do it. So right here. So right now I'm gonna do the un-install. Okay, so we're gonna put so this is the front. Okay, this is the front. So we're gonna put the front face to the here. So this is the front, and we're gonna face to here, face down. Okay, because we're gonna push those ball bearing out from the back to the front. Okay, so this part right here has the two sides on both ends. So you're gonna using small size for the install. So you're just gonna put on it and then rotate it and keep pushing. Okay, then you will feel you get it. Okay, let me take out. See, so the ball bearing will leave on the hole, which is right here. Okay, so when you wanna install the ball bearing back to the roller, this piece gonna be turned around and put on top of that. It's gonna be like this, and the ball bearing gonna be put on top of that first. Next, what you're gonna do is, remember when you do the install, everything gonna be reverse than the uninstall. So you're gonna push this thing from the front to the back. Okay, so this is the front. Okay, face down first, face down like this, face down against the ball bearing, which is right here. Okay, so here's the back right now. So we're gonna using remember there's two different sides on both ends. So we're gonna using the big one right here. So just make sure when you put on it, just slightly snacking a little bit. Okay, so next we're gonna keep turning. Okay, here we go. got it like this. Finish. Okay, let me just, give you a little bit tip. The reason why we want to uninstall and install the roller, because sometimes when your roller is getting too old or either out from box, there's a chance. Look at this one, it's a little bit waggle and it's crooked. So that's because this ball bearing, which right here, it's not on the right position. So you need something really flat surface like this one can adjust the ball bearing on the right position. That's what this tool does. So this tool gonna push, they have both ends flat, it's gonna be push the ball bearing really vertical to the hole, which is right here on the roller. So after that, your roller gonna be when spin, it's gonna be really vertical like this. See, it's really straight. Okay, so let me give you, look at this one right here. See, when I spin really slow, it's you can see a little bit crooked, but it's not really too much. Some roller, which is I have, it's really waggle and crooked really a lot. So that's why you really wanna using this tool to adjust it. Okay, and another thing I'm gonna talk about it. Like this type of roller, you see it's kind of dead. Okay, so if it's don't spin freely like this, it's don't really spin freely like a normal one. It's because there's two problems with this roller. First, it's possible the ball bearing is no good. I mean, you probably have to replace a new one. That's why you need that tool to replace a new one. Okay. And another thing, it is because the roller, the hole right here, is too tight. So it's squeezed the ball bearing too much, makes it so tight. So it's blocked the ball bearing. Okay, that's why it's kind of, you know, tight like this. So I'm just gonna show you right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and remove this ball bearing, and I'm gonna show you after I remove the ball bearing out from this roller. This ball bearing actually is not defective. It's pretty good ball bearing. Okay, let me just go ahead. Okay. Okay. So already take out. Just gonna put a little bit. See? Actually, it's good. It's pretty good ball bearing. But when you put it back in, let me show you. Okay, same roller, same ball bearing. When you put it back in again, okay. See, it's become dead. That's why I told you that's the situation number 2, because this hole right here and on the roller is really tight. So there's a way you can do it. You just keep like I know the this guy, Potential Racing, they have another tool. You can make this hole a little bit bigger, but I don't have right now. So only way you can do, you probably just keep push out and put it back, push out, put it back, and then make the hole a little bit loose, so it can improve the speed. Right now it's just too tight. That's why it's dead. Okay. So anyway, this is a very useful tool. Again, thank for Black Turner. Help me always with those tools. If you like the Black Turner page, just go log on to Facebook and type of Black Turner, which is right here, and you'll find the group page. Okay, thank you.